Good day, everyone. For today's video, I will be discussing the key differences between print and online technical writing. So, print and online technical writing share the goal of conveying complex information clearly and concisely, but they differ in their format, audience engagement, and the role of technology.
Print and online technical writing differences in terms of format. Print technical writing typically involves static documents like manuals, reports, and brochures. These documents are designed for a linear reading experience with a defined structure and flow, while online technical writing employs dynamic formats like websites, online help systems, and interactive tutorials. Online content often uses multimedia elements like videos, animations, and interactive simulations to enhance understanding. At this juncture, let's move on to audience engagement. Print technical writing, readers engage with printed technical documents passively, relying on the provided information. While online technical writing, readers interact actively with online content, navigating through hyperlinks, exploring different sections, and engaging with interactive elements. And lastly, role of technology. Print technical writing focuses on clear, concise language and logical organization, while online technical writing incorporates search engine or SOE techniques to ensure discoverability. It also utilizes web design principles for user friendliness and accessibility. Example: imagine a user manual for a new smartphone. In print technical writing, the manual would be a physical booklet with a clear table of contents, numbered sections, and detailed instructions. While in online technical writing, the manual would be an interactive website with a searchable index, clickable links to specific sections, and embedded videos demonstrating how to use various features. In conclusion, print technical writing prioritizes clarity and structure, while online technical writing emphasizes interactivity, accessibility, and discoverability. The choice between print and online depends on the target audience, the nature of the information, and the desired levels of engagement.
So, that's all for today. God bless and keep safe, everyone. Bye bye.
Hello, good day everyone. I'm Janelle Maribok and I am the second reporter in our group. So our topic is all about writing for digital platforms. So the first reporter talked about or discussed about the differences between print and online technical writing. So in my part, I will discuss about writing for websites, blogs, and online help guides. Okay, so first, let us know what are websites, blogs, and online help guides. Websites. Websites are the digital storefronts of the internet, serving as gateways to information, entertainment, commerce, and communication. So they are essential tools for businesses, organizations, and individuals to share content, connect with audiences, and to share specific goals. So there are a lot of websites in the world. We have facebook.com, instagram.com, youtube.com, google.com, and whatsapp.com. So these websites dominate the internet landscape due to their widespread use for search, entertainment, social networking, and communication. Okay, so in writing for websites, you need to research. You need to thoroughly research your audience and competitors. Second is you have to create a clear outline to structure your content logically. Third is you have to write engaging and informative copy that aligns with your brand voice and website goals. Fourth is you have to carefully edit and proofread your work to ensure clarity, consistency, and accuracy. Next is you have to optimize your content for search engines and user experience. And lastly is you need to track your website's performance and make adjustments based on user feedbacks and analysis. Website copy should be clear, concise, and focus on conveying your brand message and value proposition. It should be easy to navigate and scan with a strong call to action. So now let's talk about blogs. So blogs are dynamic online platforms where individuals and organizations share their thoughts, ideas, experiences, and expertise with a wider audience. So they have become a powerful tool for communication, information dissemination, and community building. Okay, so in successful blogging or in writing for blogs, first is you need to know your audience. You need to understand your audience's interests, needs, and pain points. Next is choose a relevant niche. So you need to focus on a specific topic or area of expertise to attract a targeted audience. Next is create high quality content. Of course, you need to write engaging, informative, and well written blog posts. Next is optimize for search engines. So you need to incorporate keywords and other SEO or search engine optimization best practices to improve your blog's visibility. Next is you need to promote your blog. Of course, you need to share your blog post on social media, emails, and other channels. And lastly is you need to engage with readers. You need to respond to their comments, answer their questions, and foster a sense of community. So blog posts should be informative, engaging, and provide value to your audience. They can be longer than website copy and often include personal anecdotes, insights, and opinions. Okay, so let's now talk about online help guides. So what are online help guides? Online help guides are digital resources designed to provide users with support and information about a specific product, service, or software. So here are examples of online help guides. So we have software documentation, product manuals, and online service help centers. So in writing for online help guides, you need to understand your product or service thoroughly and identify common user issues. You also need to create a clear outline that logically structures the information. And it is very essential to write concise, clear, and actionable content. Also, you need to carefully review your work for accuracy, clarity, and consistency. You also need to test your help guide with real users to identify areas for improvement. And lastly, you need to continually update and improve your help guide based on user feedbacks and analytics. So online help guides aim to empower users to solve their own problems quickly and efficiently. So regardless of whether you are writing for websites, blogs, or online help guides, clarity and conciseness are paramount. Avoid using jargons and overly complex sentences. Compelling headlines are crucial for grabbing attention and driving clicks, accurately reflecting the content within. Well-structured content, utilizing headings, subheadings, bullet points, and number lists enhances readability and ensures logical flow. Mobile optimization is essential for ensuring easy readability and navigation across all devices. Finally, incorporating relevant keywords naturally improves search engine visibility, a particularly important consideration for blog posts. So that's all for my part, and thank you.
Hi everyone, good evening. So I'll be continuing the discussion. My name is James Serna. So my topic tonight is SEO or search engine optimization techniques in technical writing. So the definition of this is techniques in technical writings are strategies used to improve the visibility and ranking of technical content on search engines. These techniques include using relevant keywords, creating clear titles, and optimizing meta descriptions, headings, and URLs to align with search engine algorithms. By applying SEO, technical writings becomes more accessible to users, enhancing both discoverability and readability. So SEO or search engine optimization in technical writing means making your writing easier for people to find on search engines like Google. This is done by using important words people might search for, creating clear titles, and organizing the content so it's simple to read and understand. By using this technique, by using these techniques, your writing gets noticed more and helps readers quickly find the information they need. So here are the five SEO or the search engine optimization techniques. First, we have the use relevant keywords. Identify keywords. Research terms users are likely to search for using tools like Google, Keyword Planner, or SEMrush. Next is place strategically. Include keywords in titles, subheadings, meta descriptions, URLs, and within the content, but avoid keyword stuffing. Using relevant keywords means choosing the words or phrases people might type into Google to find your content. For example, if you're writing about how to bake a cake, important keywords could be cake recipe or baking tips. Use these words naturally in your title, headings, and throughout your writing, but don't overuse them, or it will sound strange and not be helpful. Next, we have the create clear and engaging titles. First, we have write titles that are concise, clear, and include primary keywords. Next is use a structure that highlights the purpose or how to set up a secure cloud environment. So creating clear and engaging title means writing titles that are short, easy to understand, and include important keywords. For example, instead of writing cloud tips, you could write how to set up a secure cloud environment. A good title tells readers exactly what they will learn and makes them want to click on it. Next, we have the optimized meta description. First, we have the summarize the content in 150 to 160 characters with relevant keywords. Next is ensure it is compelling to encourage clicks. So optimizing meta description means writing a short summary of your content around 150 or 160 characters. That includes important keywords. This summary shows up under your title on Google and helps people decide if they want to click. Make it clear and interesting so it grabs attention like quick ad for your content. Next is use structured headings H1, H2, or H3. First, we have break content into sections using hierarchical headings. Include keywords naturally in headings to improve readability and ranking. Using structured headings means organizing your content with clear section titles like H1 for the main title, H2 for big sections, and H3 for smaller parts. These headings help readers and search engines understand your content easily, and keywords naturally in the headings to make your content easier to find, like steps to bake a cake instead of just steps. Lastly, we have write for humans first. First, ensure the content is clear and concise and valuable to readers. Next is avoid writing solely for search engines, prioritize usability. So writing for humans first means making your content easy to read, understand, and helpful for real people. Focus on explaining things clearly and keeping it simple instead of trying too hard to impress search engines. When your writing is useful and easy to follow, both readers and search engines will like it. So that's all for tonight. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much, everyone.
Hi, good evening. So, welcome to Managing Hyperlinks Multimedia and Interactive Elements. So, managing hyperlinks, multimedia, and interactive elements in digital content or web development involves a strategic approach to ensure usability, accessibility, and functionality. So, first up is our hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are the backbone of the web navigation. Proper management enhances users' experience and search engine optimization. Best practices is to make hyperlink text meaningful and descriptive. Second one is regularly test links to avoid broken or outdated URLs. Open links appropriately. Use the same tab for internal links to maintain user flow. Open external links in a new tab for user convenience, but ensure users are informed. So the next one is we have to we have the accessibility considerations. Number one is to ensure links are accessible via keyboard. Use sufficient color contrast for hyperlinks and underline them for visual distinction. Let's move on to multimedia. So, multimedia refers to the integration of multiple forms of content, such as text, audio, images, video, and interactive elements, into a single digital platform or application. This integration allows for a more immersive and engaging experience compared to the traditional single media content. So, multimedia encompasses various types of content, each serving different purposes. First is the text, the second one is audio, the third one is images, the fourth one is video, and the fifth one is animation. So let's go to the text. Text is the fundamental to multimedia, providing context and information. So here in audio, it includes the music, sound effects, and overs that enhance the experience. Recent developments include spatial audio and advanced sound design. Images. It is a static visual content, such as photographs and illustrations. Advanced include high resolution and 3D imaging technologies. The fourth one is the video. So, moving images that convey dynamic content, high definition or the HD. 4K and 360-degree video are recent innovation enhancing viewer engagement. So here in animation, the technique of creating moving images from still pictures, often used in films, television, and video games to bring characters and story to life. So these are the different purposes of multimedia. So let's go to the interactive elements. Interactive element features that encourage users to actively engage with content rather than passively consuming it. So the focus and on usability here is to ensure forms have clear labels, placeholder text, and validation. The second one is to provide feedback. For example, success or error messages on users' action. Okay, so let's go to the accessibility. Make interactive elements keyboard navigable and screen reader compatible. The second one is follow area. Area. This means accessible rich internet applications. Guidelines for customs widgets. So that is all. Thank you.